Rotaries. We all love them, although the common misconception that they are terrible engines. What if we told you that rotary engines are a lot more reliable than you think? Hi, my name's Alec, and I have been doing research on rotaries for a long time now and have been building and making engines my entire life. Rotaries burn oil, the engine breaks, this and that. When the engine burns oil, it's lubricating the apex seals to make constant contact with the housing to make the rotary spin. Now, if you want to prevent burning a lot of engine oil, you can premix your gas with two-stroke oil to create a safer, more lubricated engine. The thing that people don't understand is that rotaries have apex seals. Now, what are apex seals? Apex seals have a central rotor with 3 points rotated inside of the housing. 2 spark plugs fire the fuel and input the fuel and output the exhaust. This happens inside of the rotor when it moves. The spark plugs fire every time the rotor spins. Each point on the rotor is called the apex, so the 3 seals are apex seals. Manufacturers use OEM Apex Seals for the reliability purpose. Now that's fine until the apex seals reach a certain point called detonation. And this means that the well-known OEM Apex Seal will bend, causing malfunction in the housing. Over time, OEM Apex Seals get brittle and shatter around 100,000 miles. This means if you don't replace the Apex Seals, you get tune problems, injection fails, or even fuel pump malfunctions. Why am I telling you this? Because rotary fans or society need to realize that you have to rebuild the stock or tuned apex seals before the detonation happens. In short terms, getting a tune that will last, getting seals that won't shatter, and taking necessary precautions to prevent the apex seals from malfunctioning will help. Now the main question, are rotary engines reliable? The 12A rotary engine is indeed reliable. The same goes for the 13B, but turbocharged engines are not reliable. Neither are Renesis. Just because of the fact that the shelf life of these engines aren't long enough to be considered a daily driver, now that being said, they are still great engines and can be used as a daily driver to an extent. But if you're looking for a car to drive that will last a long time, this might not be the engine for you. I hope this video helped you understand rotaries and helped you figure out what you're looking for, because after all, our channel will help continue to inform and educate all of our viewers. Thanks for watching. This has been Alec and Edward. Go out there and follow your dreams.